Welcome back to the 12 Weeks of Christmas. This is Trisha Petito. This week we'll be doing a gift idea. I chose to do a pillow box. I use these thin cuts. They're leaf layers. I really like these because they have several different ideas and ways that you can layer them, and they look great on gifts. I also use this stamp set, Merry Christmas Flourish. It's great for small little projects such as what we will be doing today. I also use my Cricut and I cut out this pillow box. I will show you here. This is how I did it. I pulled up my design space on my Cricut and I just pulled up a random pillow box and sized it to the size I wanted. I just picked out a 6-inch plate from my cabinet and I wanted to make sure it would fit. Once it cut out, I just went ahead and folded down the edges so that it was on the score marks how it came out. Once it came out, I looked to see the size, made sure it was exactly the way I wanted, and this is what it looked like. I went ahead and put some tape on the edge that would hold it all together and started folding it up. This is what the finished product will look like. Obviously, before you adhere it all together, you're going to want to put your prize, your gift card, or whatever you decide to put inside before you totally seal it up. I went ahead and sealed it for this purpose for now so you can see what it will look like. But obviously make sure you put your item inside before you seal it all up. The next item that I did is I thought it would be nice to have it as a belly band. So I picked a 1.5 inch by 10-inch piece of paper and I sized it and went ahead and put a little bit of tape on there. I wanted enough to hold it, but not enough that it would keep it and make it hard to open back up later. I also double checked it after I was done to make sure it was easy to slide on and off for the recipient. I wanted snug enough to stay on, but easy enough to slide off, so no one struggled or had to rip it off. It's too pretty to rip. So this is where I decided I needed to start embellishing my belly band. This is where the thin cuts come into play. I used some black glitter, some evergreen glitter, and some gold foil paper for the leaves. And then I went ahead and took some of my plain circle and stitch circle thin cuts and used some white and gold as well. I got my stamp set, which was just plain old Merry Christmas, and stamped the center. I started embellishing with my leaves, and I just put them on either side of the sentiment in a little cluster. I try to keep it simple yet pretty, so I could duplicate this over and over again for my guests. I thought this would be a nice addition or gift to put in front of their plates or on their plates when they arrived for dinner on Christmas Day. Simple and easy gift to give them. And there we go, a pillow box with a gift inside, mints, gift card, or whatever else I choose for guests as they arrive on Christmas Day. I hope you enjoyed my gift today. Please join me again next week as we do another gift in our series, The 12 Weeks of Christmas. Bye.